it's me, Angela. I'm going to be decorating some Christmas ornaments today, and a couple of tips for you before I get started. The pen that you choose matters. These Posca paint pens are one of my favorites. The colors are very bright. They write really well on different materials, like this rubber that I'm going to be writing on. It writes well on wood, on chalkboards. The other thing to kind of keep in mind is the size of the tip of your pen does matter when you're writing on something small like a Christmas ornament. So be aware that these do come in different sizes, but they do sometimes bleed a little bit. And my last tip for writing on Christmas ornaments, because it's a material that's not easily replaced, if you want to write out your words on a piece of paper in a similar size first so you can kind of gauge how to lay it out, that's helpful for you. And then you can decide what kind of font you want to use, if you're going to do all caps and skinny letters or more cursive or mixing them. So with that said, watch me as I decorate a couple Christmas ornaments. Thanks for watching. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your own ornaments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks.